Welcome to Akhil English Academy. This video is about 2001 to 2019 English PG TRB questions from General Shakespeare. 15 times questions appeared from General Shakespeare. In the years 2001 4 times, 2002 twice, 2003 4 times, 2015 twice, 2017 and 2019 2 times. TRB 2001. Question number 44. The question is Shakespeare wrote dash. The options are 37 plays, 40 plays, 36 plays, 35 plays. The answer is 37 plays. Shakespeare wrote 37 plays. TRB 2001. Question number 48. The question is not that I loved Caesar less, but that I loved Rome more. These are the words of dash. The options are Antony in Julius Caesar, Brutus in Julius Caesar, Antony in Antony and Cleopatra, Cassius in Julius Caesar. The answer is Brutus in Julius Caesar. Not that I loved Caesar less, but that I loved Rome more. These are the words of Brutus in Julius Caesar. TRB 2001. Question number 58. The question is sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything. These words are spoken by dash. The options are Duke Senior, Orlando, Rosalind, Jacques. The answer is Jacques. Sans teeth, sans eye, sans taste, sans everything. These words are spoken by Jacques. TRB 2001. Question number 60. The question is some are born great, some achieve greatness, some have greatness thrust upon them. These lines occur in dash. The options are Twelfth Night, The Merchant of Venice, The Tempest, As You Like It. The answer is Twelfth Night. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, some have greatness thrust upon them. These lines occur in Twelfth Night. TRB 2002. Question number 30. The question is who does not belong to the triumvirate? The options are Antony, Octavius Caesar, Julius Caesar, Lepidus. The answer is Julius Caesar. Who does not belong to the triumvirate? Julius Caesar. TRB 2002. Question number 58. The question is Shakespeare did not write which of the following plays? The options are Antony and Cleopatra, Julius Caesar, Henry V, Caesar and Cleopatra. The answer is Caesar and Cleopatra. Shakespeare did not write which of the following plays? Caesar and Cleopatra. TRB 2003. Question number 12. The question is sylphs are the spirits of dash. The options are air, fire, water, earth. The answer is air. Sylphs are the spirits of air. TRB 2003. Question number 24. The question is Who made the famous remark, Shakespeare has no heroes but only heroines? The options are Ruskin, Carlyle, Johnson, Dryden. The answer is Ruskin. Who made the famous remark, Shakespeare has no heroes but only heroines? Ruskin. TRB 2003. Question number 31. The question is, Shakespeare did not write one of the following plays. Identify it. The options are Antony and Cleopatra, Julius Caesar, Henry V, Caesar and Cleopatra. The answer is Caesar and Cleopatra. Shakespeare did not write one of the following plays. Identify it. Caesar and Cleopatra. TRB 2003. Question number 61. The question is, Daniel has come to judgment is a line from dash. The options are Shakespeare, Dryden, T.S. Eliot, Ben Jonson. The answer is Shakespeare. Daniel has come to judgment is a line from Shakespeare. TRB 2003. Question number 67. The question is, honor is the standard by which characters continuously judge each other. This statement is applicable to dash. The options are Julius Caesar, Midsummer Night's Dream, The Tempest, Henry IV Part 1. The answer is Julius Caesar. Honor is the standard by which characters continuously judge each other. This statement is applicable to Julius Caesar. TRB 2015. Question number 8. The question is, how many plays and sonnets did Shakespeare write? The options are 36 plays and 136 sonnets, 35 plays and 154 sonnets, 36 plays and 155 sonnets, 36 plays and 154 sonnets. The answer is 36 plays and 154 sonnets. How many plays and sonnets did Shakespeare write? 36 plays and 154 sonnets. TRB 2015. Question number 10. The question is, in which play of Shakespeare does Shylock appear? The options are As You Like It, The Merchant of Venice, Othello, The Winter's Tale. The answer is The Merchant of Venice. In which play of Shakespeare does Shylock appear? The Merchant of Venice. TRB 2017. Question number 94. The question is, match the characters with the plays of Shakespeare. Boatswain appears in The Tempest. Seleucus appears in Antony and Cleopatra. Lucio appears in Measure for Measure. Blent appears in Henry IV Part 1. TRB 2019. Question number 106. The question is, the period of Shakespeare's literary activity extends over dash years, and this may be broken up into dash sub-periods. The options are 24-4, 28-4, 35, 18-3. The answer is 24-4. The period of Shakespeare's literary activity extends over 24 years, and this may be broken up into four sub-periods. TRB 2019. Question number 144. The question is, which one of the following is a non-dramatic poem of Shakespeare? The options are The River Dardan, Venus and Adonis, Amarathi, Astrophil and Stella. The answer is Venus and Adonis. Which one of the following is a non-dramatic poem of Shakespeare? Venus and Adonis.